Today is crunch time. We only got 2 weeks left to get it ready for the show in Denver. That means I got 3 trucks to bang out: the tow pig, ISMA, and the shop truck. Not to mention, we also got to be working on the trailer. The trailer needs new tires all around, and we are going to be painting the entire trailer. Here's our trailer we just bought not that long ago. We got a little bit of surface rust on the top for just sitting. Not bad, but all of this we're going to be taking care of it at my body shop. We're going to be painting it probably black and throwing some probably with red bed lining right here. We are going to be upgrading the tail lights to LEDs all the way around. So today we'll be rolling in the Corvette. It's a C6 Vet. It is my dream car. Fucking love this car, but let's go. Okay guys, we're gonna bring in ISMA's truck in. We'll put it in the first bay because the second one right now, we got another vehicle in the other bay. Yeah, we're gonna bring it in and then we're gonna do a quick walk around the truck, show you guys what we'll be doing to it. So we put in ISMA's truck in. Damn, so hot, this vinyl's coming off. But yeah, so that's a quick little walk around. Now I'm gonna explain to you what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna be repairing this fender right here. There's a couple of dents right here on the bed. We're gonna be pulling it out, making it straight. Also right here in this corner where the rear bumper's at, it got pushed in, so we gotta pull it out, make the body line straight again. As you see, it's body line and touching. There's a couple dents on the tailgate. 1, 2, 3. This side as well, it has probably like 3 dents. One right here. See it right here? You can see the reflection. It's 1. Pay attention. 2. Also right here, this is where the Forgiatos will be hitting. And then driver's side fender, 2 dents. You got one right here. See the reflection? That's where the dent's at. Right here. And another one right here. Then the front bumper, we gotta metal work it. We gotta heat it up and metal work it. Get the body line all straight again around the fog light. So that's a dent right here around the parking assist, and another one right here. And then we gotta fix the front end. We got a lot of chips. Nothing really much wrong with the hood. But yeah, let's get into it. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started on ISMA's truck. We'll go ahead and take the front end apart. We're gonna be taking apart, we're gonna take off the grill off. We're gonna be taking off the headlights off and the front bumper. So let's get right into it. Basically, we're gonna be taking off all the little safety clips using this tool right here. Off. Put this behind this truck. After that, you get a 10mm and take screws from here. There should be 1, 2, 3, 4 for the grill. All good, nothing broken. So you take the grill off. So stand, make sure you put it on the stand so it doesn't fall. Next thing we're going to be taking off is going to be the headlights. There should be 4 bolts in total. 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Want to get your 10 millimeter, there should be 1 right here, 2, 1 right here, and the other one should be right there. But first you got to take the whole front bumper off. Make sure you put everything all in the cup so you don't lose any bolts. Then on the side, you should have your 2 little side brackets that hold the level of the bumper out. Should be 2 15s. The next thing we're going to be doing is going to be taking off the headlights. 1, 2, 3, and number 4 on both sides. Go. Headlight number 1. Headlight number 2. Gotta fix that too. Always put the hardware inside the customer's vehicles. So guys, we already took the whole front end apart. As you guys can see right here. Took the grill off, took the headlights off, took the front bumper off. This is how the front bumper looks like. this is where we gotta fix it at. Right here, we gotta heat it up, metal work it, get all the body lines straight again around the fog light. The lower valance is a 2-tone lower valance. I don't know why that hole is there, but over here we gotta fix it all, make it smooth again. Right here, paint's cracking. You guys can see. Nice scrape right here. This side right here, the lower valance, also scraped up. And then front bumper, a lot of rock chips. Got more chips than a bag of Lay's. You know, nowadays they put more air than chips, but here you go. This is it. It's for the front bumper. On the grill, there's a lot of rock chips also. As you see. On these, I like taking them apart. I don't know if this one's been taken apart. Let me check. No, this one's never been taken apart. But I like to take these apart. I don't like all that masking, wasting all that 3M. Nope, take it apart, paint everything. Ooh, it is cracked from here. Look at that. Gotta get fixed right here. Didn't even see that. Then fender right here. Body work. And then this one. ¿Qué onda, Chino? ¿Ya regresaste? What happened?
Nariz boleada. Deja de peino, güey.
That's Chino, my transmission guy. But yeah, this is it, guys. It's for this video. Just want to show you how you take this front end apart. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am new to this, so if I suck, fuck it. We gotta keep trying. Pa sacar pa los viles. ¿Verdad, Chino? I don't know where he at. There you go. This is it. How to take off the front end off on this type of body style. I believe it's, what is it, 14, 18 or 16, 18, something like that. But yeah, there it is. All right, guys, I'll let you guys go. Don't forget to like and subscribe once again. Peace.